Into the motion, we're exploding out of trouble inside. You wanna roll with me? We're gonna feel the beat. Show 'em how to do that thing. You know what to do now. Tonight the stars are out, so let's make some time. I'm running when I hit the ground. That's what I'm all about. Tonight the stars are out, so let's make the town. I'm running when I hit the ground. That's what I'm all about. I'm all about it. I'm all about it.
Parang fulfilled kami ngayon kasi hindi namin lubos akalain na mangyayari pala tong wedding na gusto namin.
Hindi namin afford ang kahit anong wedding, parang formal wedding. Hindi namin afford yon. So, ang dad ko kasi, sabi niya dati, parang gusto niya ng church wedding. And nangako siya sa dad ko na pakakasalan niya ako one day sa church. And yun, buti nangyari ngayon.
Masaya kami. Saka thankful kami kay God kasi wala lahat ng to kundi dahil sa kanya. So palaging si God nasa center namin. Sana magustuhan mo ang mga gifts ko sa'yo. Yes, mga gifts. I thought of Kuya Pong's presence on our wedding today. He was so happy during our civil wedding. That's how I last remember him. Please, keep that memory charm and wear it today. Tinaiyak ako dito sa kuya ko eh. Bro, we know you would be here today if heaven wasn't far away. Na-miss ko lang siya bigla. Hindi ko na-expect na kasama siya dun sa gift ng misis ko.
Wow! Okay, dear Bebe Loves ko, finally babe, this is it. 2 years in the making. Ito na, natupad na pangarap natin na ikasal sa simbahan. On the first day I met you, I had a special feeling about us. It was a feeling of happiness being with you. I love holding your hands. Lagi mo ako sinusurprise. Minahal mo ako kung sino ako. You inspire me, babe.
Pag tayo ay nangako sa harapan ng Diyos at sinamahan natin ng pagmamahal, kasama ng pagbabasbas ng Diyos sa inyong pagsasama, alam natin, sa grasya ng Diyos at sa inyong effort, titibay at mas lalalim pa ang inyong pagsasama. Kaya naman, Billy Ray at Jessica May, siya ang pipiliin mo, wag ang trabaho ang uunahin. Wag ang ibang tao, wag ang kaibigan, kundi siya lagi ang uunahin at mamahalin. Piliin siyang mahalin kahit na may mga pagkakataon na parang hindi siya kamahal-mahal. Piliin siyang itindihin kahit na minsan hindi mo maintindihan ano bang gusto niya sa buhay. Piliin siya araw-araw. Tulad yan ng pagpili ng Diyos sa bawat isa sa atin. Pinipili niya tayong mahalin kahit na tayo ay hindi ka mahal-mahal minsan.
I got these fresh eyes, never seen you before like this. My God, you're beautiful. It's like the first time when we opened the door for we got used to usual.
7 naging kami. And kinasal kami, civil 2009. Yeah, 2009.
Kasi that time, uso yung mga disco-disco nun eh. Tapos yun, nagkita kami sa loob. Tapos yun, diba, yung mga moves ko, mga 80s, 90s eh, yung mga ganun-ganun lang oh.
So suddenly I'm in love with a stranger. I can't believe she's mine.
Surprise yan, surprise.
Now all I see is you. Fresh eyes, appreciation. When it comes to it goes, but I ride that way with you. It's human nature to miss what's under your nose till you remind a fool. Maybe all of this is simple. My heart's unconditional, yeah.
Dearest babe, this is it. This is really is it. Ganito pala ang feeling. Can't explain pero nakaka-pressure yet happy. Still can't believe that this special moment is finally happening to us. Our love story may not be the ideal timeline but it all arrived in God's perfect time. Thank you kasi tinupad mo yung promise mo na pakasalan mo ako sa church. This is gonna be one of the best days of my life. I am super happy that we're going to have our dream wedding with God's blessing.
Ikaw ang pinakamagandang nangyari sa buhay ko, babe. Basta ang promise ko sa'yo, I will keep caring you and loving you forever. Sa mga easy times and mga challenges na haharapin natin, we are in this together and you're my partner in life. I love you, babe, and I always will. Love you, mwah mwah, chup chup.
Cause you're gorgeous in this moment. If I could bottle this up, I would. So suddenly, I'm in love with a stranger. I can't believe that she's mine. Now all I see is you. Fresh eyes, fresh eyes. So suddenly, I'm in love with a stranger. I can't believe that she's mine. Yeah. And now all I see is you. Fresh eyes, fresh eyes. So suddenly, I'm in love with a stranger. I can't believe that she's mine. Yeah. And now all I see is you. Fresh eyes, fresh eyes.
Groom, you may kiss the bride. Palakpakan po natin ang bagong kasal.